Hey guys, Jared from Oneupreviewz, and we got another pickup, and it's kind of different from the other pickups that we do because we're actually doing Dr. Martens, but not just any other Dr. Martens. We're doing the Dr. Martens collaboration with the Japanese streetwear brand Oneupreviewz. So the one that we've got in our hand is the 1460 Oneupreviewz in Oxblood in the UK size 8, US size 9, and a European 42. Just a little background of the two brands before we open the box. So Dr. Martens is, in my opinion, one of the greatest shoe brands in the world right now in regards to fashion, what they do for every kind of like culture that they do, be it the punk culture. It really is the punk culture because really anti-establishment. But other than that, what they're doing, the fashion as well, leading, like all I see are all the trendy girls, all the trendy guys, they're wearing Doc Martens shoes, 1461s, like that's the shoes, or the 1460 original boots. Oneupreviewz, gone into Oneupreviewz. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I recently got into Oneupreviewz because of my colleagues. They told me about original Japanese streetwear brands. You'll find the first Oneupreviewz was opened in Harajuku. Like, if you know anything about like Japanese fashion, it all came from Harajuku. And Oneupreviewz, what that entails is, you know, streetwear. Oneupreviewz, it's in the street. Obviously Oneupreviewz got all their inspiration from American culture, so it's come back around to here, and it's really cool. Like you got this punk culture that was massive in Japan, and it was characterized in Oneupreviewz apparel. And yeah, I really fanboyed when I was in Tokyo, and when I went to Oneupreviewz. That was so cool. I've got a couple pieces, and you know what, that's my favorite like pieces of clothing. I've got a Oneupreviewz like long sleeve and a Oneupreviewz shirt, so that's what I really like in regards to fashion. I'm really into like Japanese brands, which is why I got these. It's a really cool pickup. So let's go open it. Right off the bat, yeah, I mean, you can tell it's the Dr. Martens because of the stitch. Obviously it's not the iconic yellow stitch, but you know, it's really dope even without. Really cool. So let me go a bit more into Dr. Martens. So the reason why they're called 1460 1460 these boots is because the first boots were made in 1st of April of 1960, and the shoe, so obviously like of it, was made in 1st of April 1961. That's why it's called the 1461. Got there in the end. But yeah, I'm really impressed by the shoe. You've got, like, you can tell like it's already got that like it's still got that Dr. Martens DNA, but like really carefully constructed, like most of Oneupreviewz's pieces. We'll go into it actually. So on the outsole, you got the original Dr. Martens air sole unit. It is airwear. Is made in Dr. Martens. Obviously, it's patented, made in England, and you can't go wrong. Really sturdy. It's really comfy. Like, surprisingly, I mean, it looks like it's gonna hurt, and I'm not gonna lie to you. Wearing Dr. Martens shoes, wearing their boots, it hurts. But as soon as you break them in, it's the most comfortable like shoe ever. And like I said, they're really trendy. I really like them because they're a staple in British culture. Going on towards the upper, so you got that nice oxblood leather. You got the elastic gusset here, so it's similar to the 2976 Chelsea boot, where obviously Chelsea boots have the gussets right there. What's really cool about this trainer even more is is similar to Blundstone. You've got Blundstone Chelsea's where they have the 2 pull tabs. So on the tongue here and on the pull tab and the heel. So you got it with airwear with the Dr. Martens like pull tabs with bouncing soles. One thing to note is, obviously I mentioned about the yellow stitching that Dr. Martens have. This has white stitching, really nice contrast, and you can tell that neighbourhood is involved with the little neighbourhood without the vowels. I forgot what it's called, is it acronym? I forget, I'm so sorry. If someone in the comments can help me with my grammar, that would be much appreciated. I'm always eager to learn. You got Tokyo, because that's where neighbourhood's from. It was born in Tokyo, and you can tell, like I mentioned, that this is a really like trendy shoe. Very, even though it's British, even though it's English, there's like that subtle Japanese vibe to it. You can see all those guys in Japan who are so advanced in fashion, they're wearing these, and I'm pretty sure they are wearing Dr. Martens at the moment, as I've seen on WGSM and all the like trends places on the internet. I'm not gonna lie to you, I know what size I am for Dr. Martens. I am a size 7 because I've got 7s, and unfortunately we can only get these in the size 8, so I already know that this is going to be too big for me. So I'm just putting that out there. If you are to buy some Dr. Martens, get your size, because they run true to size, I'd say. And like I mentioned, you do have to break them in, but honestly, once you break them in, it's smooth sailing, and you're going to be the most like trendy, I know I keep saying trendy, but you're going to be like the most stylish person in the place because you're wearing some Dr. Martens. Let's wear this, let's go. Cool. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you, as I mentioned, I know what size I am for Dr. Martens. I am a size 7. These are massive on me, but what I'm going to tell you are how I feel about the shoe, apart from the massive space that's in the front. Regardless of the space of the front, it feels like a Chelsea boot because of the gusset. Really there. It does feel like a Chelsea boot, but I can feel like it's going to keep my feet in place. I did kind of like tighten the laces a bit, and if anyone's wondering what trousers I'm wearing some Dickies 872 work trousers. You can't go wrong with some Dickies. So yeah, really good. I think they look cool as well. It's a shame that you can only get the neighbourhood there, but if anything, it looks like a Dr. Martens shoe boot. I mean, so here's a little 360. Cool, thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. If you're wearing some Dr. Martens, you know, give us some love. Show us some comments on below what ones you're wearing. Obviously not whilst you're watching this video, but shout out to all the Dr. Martens wearers, innit? Cool, thanks, peace, bye.